Hi, Soki here. Today I am doing grocery for this week. So today I'm not wearing the 3M respirator mask like I showed in the previous video. So today I'll just be wearing the usual surgical mask plus this a face shield. So this face shield is actually 3D printed by us, and we actually included some features in this. Two very significant features that we have is this headrest. This headrest is actually like there's a very springy, and it's flexible. It's actually take away the pressure you have in your forehead if you're wearing it for a long hour. And the other feature is this. So you see this notch, these notches on both sides of this back headrest. So it's actually to hold your string from your surgical mask. What it does is actually it takes away the pressure that is building up if you're wearing it for long hours. So added a feature. We actually 3D printed it with a custom logo. So it could be your name, it could be your company logo. So for those of you that you're doing retail or service industry that post MCO or during this MCO that you are actually doing business, you can actually get a face shield from us, put on your logo branding, rather than you just buy any face shield up from from anywhere else. So basically that's it. Talk to me if you're interested to print this custom shield. Leave a comment below. I'll contact you. That's the face shield, so it goes like this. Right, that's it. And now let's go grocery shopping.